Okay, so just didn't ask a painter live, but I thought there was a good training opportunity here because we're improving some processes on one of our job sites. And one of the things that I wanted to really improve on with interior woodwork is the corners where we seal them. So the problem is with a lot of our fingers is that they're not small enough to actually get in there and make nice corners. So what you're left with is often a big glob of something. So I'll kind of show you here. I'm gonna have to switch sides here. So obviously you apply, and I'm gonna use a three-way corner to show. So the problem is my finger can't make contact with the back side, and what you're left with is kind of a bigger area, and it doesn't give you a nice crisp line. So one thing we were trying to figure out, can you grab that caulking tool, somebody from there? So there's these companies that make certain caulking tools that you can use to get in there, but I find some of those are even bigger. So we're experimenting with, this one just happens to be the lid of a frog tape container that I shaved down here. So there's these, but the problem is that this is a little too blunt of a tool. It's flexible, which is nice, but it doesn't really get into some of those corners like that. It almost, it does better than my finger, but not that much better. So we're finding ways to make, what you want is sealant to be imperceptible. So on a three-way corner, we'll drag down and through. What you don't want to do is bring it down and pull it out because the suction will actually pull the caulk out with it. So what we did, down and through in one line, and then you can start there, bring it out like that. And that left us with a really nice caulking line. And when this stuff dries, it will actually shrink and suck in. So hopefully all it looks is like a perfect 90-degree return. What you don't want to do is have a huge glob of something that's almost like a piece of molding that comes out of the wall. You want it to look like the board perfectly meets the wall there. So again, 10-minute training. I thought I would quick show you guys that, and everybody can proceed, and we'll have a good rest of the week. So